Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import a bulk email list from Excel into your Gmail account. If you're managing a lot of contacts, this is a game changer. Instead of adding emails one by one, you can get your entire list imported in just a few minutes. This is perfect for small business owners, marketers, or anyone who wants to streamline their email workflow. First, let's start with the format of your list. Open your spreadsheet in Excel and save it as a CSV file, which stands for comma-separated values. This format is widely supported and ensures your data transfers smoothly. In Excel, go to the File menu, click Save As, and choose CSV from the available options. Next, make sure your CSV is structured correctly. The first row should contain column headers like name and email, and each email address should be in its own cell under the email column. Double-checking this is important because it ensures Google can read and import your contacts correctly. A little attention here saves you a lot of frustration later. Now, open your web browser and log into your Gmail account. Look for the Google Apps icon in the top right corner and click it. From the menu, select Contacts. This will take you to Google Contacts, where all your email contacts are stored and managed. Once in Google Contacts, look at the left sidebar for the import option and click on it. A window will pop up asking you to select a file. Click Select File, navigate to the location where you saved your CSV, and upload it. At this point, Google may prompt you to map your columns. This means you'll align the names and email addresses in your CSV to the corresponding fields in Google Contacts. Make sure everything matches correctly to avoid misalignment. After verifying, click Import, and just like that, your bulk email list is now added to your Gmail account. This makes it much easier to send emails, manage your contacts, and stay organized. And that's it. You've now learned a fast and efficient way to import large email lists from Excel into Gmail. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips.